The megadrought in the western U.S. is likely to persist for decades. Researchers have found that human-caused climate change may have disrupted the Pacific Decadal Oscillation (PDO), a natural climate cycle in the northern Pacific Ocean that alternates between warm and cool temperature phases every few decades, potentially locking it into a pattern that drives megadrought in the western United States. Since the late 1980s, the PDO has remained stuck in an extended negative phase characterized by cooler-than-average sea surface temperatures in a horseshoe pattern, which hit a record low in July and contributes to below-average winter precipitation across much of the western U.S. Through analysis of nearly 600 climate simulations, University of Colorado researchers found that while human emissions had virtually no influence on the PDO before 1950, they could explain about half of the cycle's changes from 1950 onward, with aerosol pollution initially pushing it toward a positive phase through the 1980s. Then greenhouse gas warming and reduced aerosol pollution driving it toward the persistent negative phase from 1980 to 2014. The negative trend has continued for the past decade despite El Niño events that were expected to reverse it, and climate models predict this pattern will persist for several more decades, perpetuating the western U.S. megadrought that has lasted since 2000. This research challenges the traditional understanding that the PDO arises purely from natural internal climate variability and represents a significant finding in determining how much current climate patterns result from human carbon emissions. Follow for more climate change updates.